So this is a requested style that I've done. It's nice, Boho Bridal, really quick, super easy, and something that you could really do within your bag. So if you need a quick, stunning style, this is the one to do. So there's already a beachy wave put through the style, and now I'm just going to put some, as you can see, I'm putting some back combing through the top, directing it away as a back comb. Just going through the sections and just adding some height in there. The wave I put in was used, it was a 28mm tong, just to add that nice beachy wave. Then just bring it all back and just comb through to get rid of any, so you can't see that that back comb underneath. Then just lift it slightly. I've got some product in this already, so that's why I'm able to do it like this. I've not added any extra product because I really didn't need to with it just being a mannequin. I would do if it was a real person. So just place the vine over the crown there towards the front of the head, and then you grab the vine with a section of hair from either side and you just twist them over each other. It's that simple. Trying to keep the vine on top of the hair so you don't lose it in the hair. And then I'll just choose little bits to pull out, leave those out as tendrils so they can be curled at the end, and then just adding in hair from each side. It's not a plait, it's just hair twisted over each other, just 2 strands. So just work your way down, just adding in, leaving pieces out. If you see any pieces that you'd like to leave out as tendrils, just leave them out. I'm choosing some bits there to pull out and leave out of the style. And then I just secure the end with an elastic. And then I'll use a piece of hair to go around the bottom, go round and round, and then secure that with an elastic and then push it up so it's hidden by the hair. And then just go through and loosen it up. Any areas that you can see you need loosening or tweaking a little bit, then I pull through the top section to make it really nice and airy and soft. You want it to be really, really nice and light and airy. So you can see all that volume there, and there's a little bit of product in it. There's not much, but because of the back combing and obviously it's been held in place by the style underneath, it's gives it a right nice airy feel on top there. So I'm just taking some pieces from the front, just using my topsy tail to pull them through towards the back. I always leave a little bit too much out at front, then I can do this. I'd rather do that than not leave out, not leave out enough. And this way you've got some more tendrils at the back that you can curl at the end. Add a bit of height. And then give it a little twist and topsy tail it through. And I always check each side to make sure that it's symmetrical. Then obviously going through and making sure that you can see the vine okay. This is quite a thin vine, so it could be left like that and it looks really pretty, but what I do at the end I'll show you in a little bit. It looks nice as it is, but if you wanted that thicker vine, I have got one on order, but there's a little trick that I do. I can't do it on a real person, that it wouldn't stay in, but if you want the vine to be thicker, then I add some pins at the end to make the vine look thicker, but I won't have to do that once I've got my thicker vine. And now it's just a case of curling all the pieces that have been left out. And just comb through the pieces that have been left out to soften them. And place them. Then I'm just going through and just checking everything looks symmetrical, and there's enough height, there's enough tendrils, and everything just matches from all sides. That's me looking up at the camera to make sure that you can see everything that I can see. And so now I'm going to add some pins to make that vine look a little bit thicker even. I wouldn't do this on a real person because they just wouldn't stay in how they are being attached, so I am getting a thicker vine, but just for the purpose of this video, to make the vine look thicker, I add the pins in. I just think it looks more effective that way. And there you go, finished. Boho Bride. Super quick style, super easy, really good one to have in your bag of tricks, especially if you're limited on time. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.